Candy Vin, the Gadget God here from geekinsider.com, and today I'm going to show you how to set up a Windows 8 PC. So this is the first thing it's going to ask you when you turn on your new PC. Pick a color. How crazy do you want to get? Now this will be the most fun part of the entire process, so let's go for a dark purple, sure. And I'm going to call this let's call it Candy Vin's PC, since that is my name. Wireless. So you put in your Wi-Fi password, and then after you put in your Wi-Fi password, it's going to say, do you want to use your Express settings? So ultimately, you're going to want to use your Express settings. It tells you this is what you're doing. For 99% of people, you're going to want Express settings. So I'm going to sign in here with my email address. I actually have a Hotmail account, which is soon to be transferred into an Outlook account. That's also my Xbox 360 account, so I'm going to use that email address. So don't watch while I type it in. Then you're going to choose next. It's going to check for your Microsoft account. It's going to have you enter your password. Next thing it asks you for is for your security info. So I just entered this. Now I'm going to go next. It's going to create your account. I'll just refocus the camera a little bit here. So here it's creating your account. Once you put in your password, finalizing your settings. Finalize it. Finalize it to the max. I like the way they do this little intro piece here. It's also a tutorial. It's very Apple-esque. So what they're saying really is swiping in from the right side is one of the main things you're going to be doing in Windows 8. It's giving you your quick menu, things like the start button, a search button, get to your general PC settings, and then they're saying if you're using a mouse, move it into any corner to get that same mini menu. We'll call that the quick menu. We're getting your PC ready. This will take a few minutes. Very exciting. I like how it kind of changes the color tone while it's loading. It's very slick. I think they did a fantastic job making Windows 8 visually appealing. So you just wait while it gets your PC ready. Grab a glass of water, eat an apple, use a different computer to watch a Candy Vin video. Whatever you feel like doing. Now I'm getting a message on my phone because for security information it asked for my phone number and an alternate email. So it contacted both of those just to confirm. What we're setting up here is a tablet that also has a docking station. It's actually the Samsung ATIV Smart PC. So this is the best of both worlds in my opinion. And here we are. It has started up. Just took a little while to load initial settings, give you some information on how to start, and load some of the default apps. So this is all default. When you first start it up, this is going to be on any Windows 8 computer. Your mail you'll have to set up, people's like your social networks, messaging people, the desktop website, the desktop interface, and if you push the Windows button, that'll bring you back to the start menu. This is the new start menu. Weather, photos, calendar, Internet Explorer. If you pick it here, it will show you the tablet interface. And if you swipe down, that's how you can add new tabs. And also that will bring up your URL bar here. So it's giving me some suggestions. and then we'll push the Windows button, brings us back to that start menu. If you push the Windows button again, it'll take you back to whatever you were doing last. So I just want to show you the difference. If you go to the desktop and then you choose Internet Explorer, it's the traditional desktop view. So we'll make it full size. This uses mouse input as well. I have a mouse pad here on the attached keyboard, or I can use my finger. You can use both. So I'll push the Windows button, brings me back to where I was before. If you swipe in from this side, this is your quick menu. Start will bring you to this. So for example, we're in the desktop here. I'm going to close the web browser. So if I bring that in and push the start menu, it brings me back to the start menu. Also, you have the search feature. So this is going to be everything on the tablet that you can search for. Brings in this little piece here. These are essentially apps. You can type in there what you want to search. Share, if you can share something to your social networks. If you're looking at a web page, you touch share, you can share it to your Facebook. Devices are any connected devices, maybe a smartphone, maybe a printer. And then lastly, the settings gives you these quick little options here, but really change PC settings is the major button under that quick menu. This is where you can change your background, users who are on here, set notification settings, share settings. General is just a lot of general things in there that you might want to use. Restart your whole computer if you want from here. Devices again. So I don't really have any devices set up for this. So your wireless settings, Windows Update. When you first install your Windows 8, you're going to definitely want to check for updates because I'm sure there will be a banana load. We'll push the Windows button. We're back here in the menu. Maps, Store, SkyDrive. We'll show you the Store real quick. There aren't a ton of Windows 8 apps out yet. That's because the platform is still very young, but they're getting more and more every day. So definitely looking for them to get more apps, but as it stands now, they have plenty. They have all the major ones, and any fresh computer that comes with Windows 8 by default will have 60 days of Microsoft Office. So that's just another bonus. Only lasts for 60 days though. After that, you gotta buy it. Video, music, those are all pretty standard. Comes with Skype, Microsoft Office. I won't set that up now, but essentially that's a quick look. What you can do also, if you hover in from the left side here, you can have dual screen browsing. Oops, sorry. So I'm going to pull it in and then put it back over here. So now I have dual screen. I have the Store up and my traditional Windows 8 desktop here. So it's just a really nice feature. Probably my favorite feature of Windows 8 is that dual screen. If you go in and go back, it just gives you your windows that are already opened. So Internet Explorer and Store, we want them both on here. So let's pull Internet Explorer out, and we'll make it bigger because the Store is not as exciting. So a good example is you're watching YouTube and you also want to check your email. It's a great example of using both. So that's an example of the dual screen browsing that's capable in Windows 8. So again, this is Candy Vin, the Gadget God from geekinsider.com. Let me know if you have any questions or comments below. Like and subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.